Hello trader, XAUUSD. From this smooth trend line, we see that bouncing of back-to-back four important sessions. Respecting this trend line, and finally we saw the retest of the 4-hour 20 EMA and having a potential bounce that could signal a long-term trend in this market. So let's see on the lower time frame how we can find trading opportunity in this market. So first of all, looking at bigger picture again, monthly chart to see overall direction in this market. So this is the monthly price action. We saw that in the beginning of the month there was a gap open, and with that gap open the price started to bounce from that gap, and we saw that in the middle of the month there was a deeper pullback, and with this pullback the market gained momentum and the price again started to bounce off that level, and we could see that if the price gain enough momentum we might see even breaking this high to create a new higher high. If we look at the weekly chart on this instrument, we can see that from the weekly perspective here, uh, previous weekly candle is a bull candle with a higher low formation, and this week the price respected that previous weekly low. From this weekly support we saw that there is a strong buying pressure from that long week bullish candle, and this week we can see the market after this retest of the support had a bounce here, and as the market is bouncing off that level, we might see now a potential retest of this weekly resistance and possibly to break that high to create a new higher high, as it is a long term bull market. Dropping down to the daily, we can see the price drop to that daily 20 EMA as expected. After this daily bounce we have seen a deeper pullback followed by daily bullish engulfer. This is quite significant as this candlestick pattern has crossed this daily 20 EMA, tested the support and closed as a full body green with both sides engulfing the previous daily candle, giving a high probability setup for XAUUSD to potentially bounce off this level and then to create a new higher high. This is a quite significant level, expecting XAUUSD to continue to trend to the upside. Now, looking at the 4-hour chart here, we can see that from this 4-hour time frame, this is a zone where back to back three important doji, and we saw that there was a strong breakout here from the 4-hour time frame followed by this pullback, and we can see followed by back to back three sessions the market tested that. In this current session we see that XAUUSD potentially tested four times, had a rejection, signaling that XAUUSD may continue to trend, and as this is the previous swing high, with that move what I think that XAUUSD may potentially break this high. So in that move with this 4-hour candlestick pattern we can expect at least 100 pip or 1000 points move in this first move, and could potentially continue to rise to the upside. So lower time frame price action here, we will be waiting for that potential entry for this move to the upside with a high probability trade setup. We might look for 15 minutes entry or 30 minutes entry opportunity once we see that the price has given us suitable liquidity confirmation for this upside bias. Traders, if you enjoyed this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more update and education like that. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.